All right, so how do you put a picture in a Google Doc really quickly? And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click up here on Insert, and under Image, we're going to go by Camera. And so this way you can use the camera on your laptop to take a picture. So I'm going to go ahead and click Camera. And so what we see is, you see me, but then I'm going to hold up my brainstorming idea. So here's my brainstorm. Then you're going to click this camera button right here, and then click Insert. Now, I did put it in a wrong spot, so actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this to where I need it to go. So let's go back down here. I'm going to delete this now and insert picture in this box. So I'm going to insert image. Now, since I've already taken a picture, it's already there. So all I have to do is insert right there, and there you go. You've inserted your brainstorming ideas. Alrighty guys, that's going to be it for it. Good luck.